foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. Of course, it's a girl Chesouye.
Hey guys, I'm overhead.
So we are just about to leave home. It is now
It's 2:49.
probably turn up to it's 2:49 a.m. Our flight is at 6:29 a.m. so we're early. And the flight is on time so far. So right now, mommy I dropped everything around the kitchen because of food at 2:49 a.m. because of food.
Like controller. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. That's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah. Like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't want to see me find your love. They don't want to see me smiling back when they
So guys, we are in Miami. We've been in Miami since this morning. It is now about 2 something, and we are waiting on our connection to Orlando because that would be our final destination, Orlando, Florida. Right now I have my brother sleeping, and honestly it's such a long layover, but we haven't been doing too bad, and the kids were not too bad. And yeah, it's been flying past, but I am just tired, so I'll catch back up with you guys. Also, because nobody told me that traveling with small children was so hard, so it's literally so hard to vlog because this clip is gonna be on my phone. I have my camera somewhere in my bag. My sister dropped it, by the way, and I don't know where it is because we have so much stuff. We have some stuff duty free, we have or other stuff, so it's kind of hard, but I'm going to catch back up with you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. It's basically our You want to down this or yes sir?
Yes, so.
It's basically our second day, well our first day, because yesterday was just our traveling. Mommy mash up our slippers.
Hello, guys. It's I.
Right now we're on our way to Walmart to get, you know, a little stroller for Zoo because guys, me did think him small, but him have a little weird pan him because him kinda if me not turn right. So we are walk go Walmart, mommy around there so Zoo and sorry. Last night we never took about the camera, but we did land safely. We landed a little after 6. Then we got picked up and we went to Walmart, we went to McDonald's and we went to Popeyes.
Let's
Guys,
go to the Taco
I had
Bell,
the
baby.
Popeyes mac and cheese for the first time in 2 years and it was so good. And then we basically just went to bed. So now we're heading to Walmart. Mommy,
Yo.
you know say around a Walmart something that is gas station. Anyway, yeah, we're trying to find Walmart. I left my camera, so if the quality is a little bit different, bear with me. Left my camera in the room. Forgot some with that vlog.
The plane. Just 2 of them.
Oh, we're seeing plane, guys. We're so close to the airport.
Yeah, that's JetBlue.
We're so close to the airport, so we're still seeing planes. But yeah, I'm just wearing a Faith Over Fear t-shirt. I got it from Shein. I'm wearing my Champion sneakers and leggings. I think I got the leggings from Amazon about 3 years ago.
How much?
And Zai and Mommy. So now we heading to Walmart. Oh, and we need to get Zuri's snack because we never got his Doritos. That's what he likes nowadays. So
Hey, I want some Doritos.
we
too,
need to
back
get
here.
Doritos for Zoo.
You know, I like Doritos too. Wow. Hi, you guys. It's
You know, tell them about the Taco Bell and tell them, oh guys, we went to the dollar store last night as well and pick up one bag of sweetie because what else?
well, sweet.
Guys, we reach Walmart, walking through the parking lot right now. So I'm gonna catch you guys inside.
Yeah.
Guys, little man fell asleep. We're in Five Below. Guys, we met that we went to Walmart and they didn't have what we wanted, so
Hey, you
we just
guys,
got the Doritos and we caught the bus. Guys, I never caught the bus in Florida, but I figured it out. And yeah, we met the bus driver and she gave us a free ride because she loved Zai. So Zai's not being good, by the way. She just wants to spend her money on toys. I wonder where she's going to put them to go back to Jamaica because we don't have space. So, and she's just looking at toys.
You guys,
All she wants
come
is
over
toys.
here.
Oh, if we bring camera over there.
I have this lucky. Just a year 1 minute something from Papa.
Yeah.
And I she wants. I hope you remember. It's alright. I don't like the umbrella.
You alright, umbrella there?
I want one more.
Yeah. Wait, which part you go put it to carry it back? No time, no bag. Only look on Zai. The vlog.
Vlog, do you like
Me?
this?
No, sorry.
Hi, guys.
Take it off.
I can't take them off.
job. Good job, baby.